In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Sendwave account. If you're looking to send money internationally with ease and reliability, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you started quickly. First things first, you'll need to download the Sendwave app, which is available for both Apple and Android users. Head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Sendwave. Once you find it, go ahead and install the app. After it's installed, open it up and get ready to create your account. Now that you have the app open, let's set up your account. Look for the option to create an account or sign up. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure all the information you enter is accurate. After providing your details, it's time to verify your phone and email. Sendwave will send a verification code via SMS or email to the contact information you've provided. Check your messages or email inbox for this code, then enter it into the app to confirm your details. This step is essential to ensure your account is secure. Next up, you'll need to add a payment method. This is crucial because it allows you to fund your transfers. Within the app, navigate to the payment info section. Here, you'll have the option to link a debit card or another supported payment method. Make sure you have your card details handy to make this process smooth and quick. In some cases, you may be asked to complete identity verification to unlock full features of the app. If requested, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID or any required documents. This is quite common and a standard practice in many countries to adhere to local regulations. Completing this step can also help you increase your sending limits. It's highly recommended to enable SMS login or two-factor authentication for added security. This can be done within the app settings and ensures that your account remains protected against unauthorized access. Once these steps are completed, you're ready to start sending money. Simply add a recipient by entering their details, choose the country you're sending to, and specify the amount you wish to send. The app will show you the applicable exchange rate and any fees involved. Review all the details, and when you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. Make sure you check the list of supported countries for sending and receiving money before you sign up. Complete identity verification to increase your transfer limits. And finally, always keep your app and phone updated and never share any verification codes with anyone to maintain your account's security. And there you have it, everything you need to open and start using your Sendwave account. Thank you for joining and happy sending.